Where are we right now?
We're at Fairmont. We're at the Marion County Visitors.
Where are you? At the Marion County Visitor Center. So that's their small bridge. Are they open? Oh, they're closed. You have a pavilion here.
This is a small. Somebody found it on 825.
Do you have a pen?
Yep. 30 feet. It buzzed. Gotta be by this tree.
Yeah,
Should be by the tree.
should be here. Hi guys! Our first catch of the day is inside of this tree and we're having a hard time. Good thing we never surrender it. See, how can you get that one? It's inside of that. Hey, we found one. So we're going to return it. Okay, return it, baby. Return it. There you go. See, you cannot see it. We're done. Next one. So guys, we are here at the park. We are going to walk and find some geocache again. So
I think it must be on the back side.
which one? So look at this park. It's a beautiful park here in Marion. Is it Marion County?
Marion County.
Marion County. Somewhere in West Virginia. So let's walk.
Close to Fairmont. Don't step in that sand.
Okay.
Get it in your shoes.
Yeah, I'm using the other shoes.
Oh, it's nice out. We're in the shade.
That's right.
It's cool out today. It's a nice day.
It is a nice day. That's
I hurt
why.
my hand there.
Come on, my baby is hurt.
Straight down.
Oh, because we're trying to walk down there, guys, but
Okay.
maybe we're not. Let's just go back. So right now, guys, we are looking for this geocache. So that's why we are driving around this park. In this way to find this other geocache.
We're getting further away.
Oh, you need to.
Maybe this little path.
Oh, oh, look at that, guys. We're gonna get in here, I guess.
Yep, that way.
Okay.
You see, watch this.
Yep.
Oh.
Uh-oh. There's a lot of stickers here. Are you right with that thing, love?
Yep. I believe I am.
See what we're doing here, guys. See that? Are you okay?
I should get my machete out of the truck. I'm pretty sure this is right.
How many steps now?
Oh, it buzzed.
Oh, okay.
Wait a minute, it says it's back that way.
Uh-oh. But it buzzed, right?
Yeah,
Maybe it's just here.
30 feet.
30 feet, so
That
we need
way.
to go back. The GPS is bouncing us around.
Now
So,
it's going back this way. It keeps switching.
can you stay put so that,
Let me go.
look at the beautiful flower. It's so nice. So I'm going to follow Mr. Wandering World. Hopefully this is the right way. May sunod na ko diri. Ambot lang. Ay, asa na dagway mi ani? Is it there?
Here somewhere.
What's the
9 feet of it.
what's the clue?
Are you pulling my peg?
Are you pulling my peg? That's the clue, guys. So we need to check that out. Oh, we found it!
Is that it?
I don't know.
Look, there's the Batman.
Is that the peg that we're going to pull it?
Okay, how do you get it out of there?
So that's the one, guys. How we're gonna get that? How you gonna get that one? Pull that peg. How are we going to get? Pull this. Pull that one.
Huh?
Pull
You use this to get it up out of there.
that.
Oh.
Oh, see that? So that's the clue. So use that one. Mr. Wandering World is enjoying now. See, that's why sometimes you really enjoy doing this geocache because of this. The cache owner is very creative. What's in there? So almost, do you want me to get it? Oh, there you go! Dun, dun, dun. We finally get it.
Which was it, in this way?
Yeah. So open up, baby. So we're gonna log in. Is there a paper? Okay. There's the paper, guys. It's really small. Then we are going to log in now. You need to write it down there, I guess. Logbook. What's in there? this a cigarette?
Seeing this, what this guy did is he sit there and they flew low and he shot at people.
Yeah.
Is there another guy on the other
I
side?
guess there is.
No, they're just having a gun on one side.
I will take a picture of you here, love. So this is the Vietnam map. Phnom Penh. So this is the map of Vietnam.
Yeah.
Let's go that way. Where? Inside?
In Marion County.
So is it inside the...
And they have a special souvenir there at the geocache at the visitor center.
Yeah?
That you get.
Oh!
Yeah.
So this is 1975. To all who served in Vietnam and to those who made the ultimate sacrifice.
Got shot in the back. See there? Bullet
Yeah.
hole? Huh?
Yeah.
See that bullet hole in his back?
Where? Oh, there's a bullet there. I don't know. Yeah, that is. Inside.
Like I said, make sure that they're open before you go. I think it's down there. It's just 50 feet.
So this is our third catch of the
day.
And
Where is it at? Where?
we need to find it out
Here somewhere. Oh, I don't know where it's at. I don't know. Oh, look at here though.
Where?
Oh.
Wait, baby.
Huh?
Oh, there you go, guys. So that's the cache.
Looks
Oh, it's look like a grass. So we need to open it. And, oh, what's inside? All the toys for the kids. Oh, they have this. Oh, they have money. Is it money?
Okay.
So guys, we found our third catch of the day. So today we are going to log in.
This is the number one. This is where you start. And they give you a map inside at the visitor center to where the rest of them are at.
But we get the rest of it.
No.
Oh, we should started it here, but since the visitor center is closed, so we might coming back here to get some of the rest of the cache. See that? Geocache.
that we was here before. It was raining that day. I think. I'm getting hungry.
We also.
It's 5 o'clock.
This is our fourth catch now. They said it is in the guardrail. So let's check it out.
65 feet.
So let's check all the corners. Here, it's a magnet. Yeah, it's here. Found, guys! I found it, I found it, I found it. We need to log in. We are going to log in. Unsa na na akong buhok. Init. So you need to get the cache, guys, that kanang walay tawo para dili siya mawala sa nila gi-hide. Kapuyag in English oy. Tapos ibabalik namin yan doon kung saan ko kinuha yung catch. Naintindihan mo ako?
Catch.
Para sa susunod na maghahanap nito. So, ngayon kailangan na namin siyang ibalik. At sa susunod, pupunta na naman kami sa susunod na so ibabalik ko siya dito, guys. So, we are done now. We are going back to our truck and log into our cell phone and find another catch of the day. So this is downtown Fairmont.
Yeah. Well, we never came here before, so we're gonna have to come back here when it's open.
Nagutom kaya
What is?
mukaon. Oh, there's a lot of people waiting outside.
Wonder if you can.
There's four tall better places.
We got a good seat.
Alright, so like that morning I kind of just like stayed as long as I wanted, do what I wanted. It's the one that I don't feel rushed.
Here's a closet for you. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we're here right now at Italian restaurant.
So they can't put cheese on your stuff anymore. Huh? We locked up just finding this place.
That's right.
Looks like it's been here a long time.
1969, baby.
Really?
Yep. This is year 1969. This plates also are since 1969. Look at the difference. Oh, it's our calamari.
good. Oh, goodness. I'm gonna try some of this kid.
Is it good? Is it
Really good.
really good? Oh, I'm going to eat now. Lami kaayo. As in lami.
They cooked it just right.
Lami ka ilang calamari. Ang ilang
I'm
sauce
gonna
po
try
lami.
this here.
It's really good, right?
They're both really good.
So their sauce, guys, are
They gave
Really
us
good.
plenty of sauce. My goodness.
as in lami
It
to
made me really
It's
good.
really good. So the sauce is really good. This one is really good also. So What can you say about it?
What can you say about it? It's really
Speechless, love. Speechless.
good. It is really good. We're coming back here to eat again.
Oh, so let's wait for our main entry. What can you say about it? Almost.
Almost gone. That's what we can say about it.
Marot na. Pickled onion.
Best way I can put it is if you like onion, you love it. If you're even iffy about onion, generally leads to the dislike.
Is it hot? Hot onion? No.
Nope.
Sweet?
Yep.
Oh,
It's
we
a
like it
pickled
then.
onion.
Sweet. Best I can say, just give her a try. Then that little red pepper there by the pepperoni, that
This
is
one?
a peppadew. It's sweet
Peppadew?
and tangy.
Okay.
Oh, you
That's
like that
my
one?
favorite part of the salad right
Really?
there.
That's for him.
I'll give it a try.
Okay, you eat that one. Here's the fresh
And
bread.
here's the olive too. I'm gonna eat that olive.
The fresh bread.
What's in it with the butter?
Butter.
It's hot bread too.
Is it?
You don't-
Because I put some cheese already. Yeah, let's go into try this. Taste it. And what's the verdict?
Cheese.
What, baby?
Cheese. You want some of this? Half of this?
Yeah, you can put it all in.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh. There you go.
Okay. Try it.
Look at all this sauce. It's sticky.
Yeah, you try it.
How's everything taste?
It's good.
Good.
How is it?
It's really good.
With bread also.
We're gonna come here and eat again.
What?
You'll come here again.
Okay.
You like yours?
Oh yeah. Now I'm going to eat.
Now we're gonna go home.
Guys, we are already busog. And we are going to head home now.
Yeah.
Because our activity for today is done. So
Yeah, it'll be dark soon too.
that's right. So
Then we have to do some walking maybe if we get home in time.
yeah, I
It'll
want
be
to.
7:30 when we get home. We're probably gonna go walking.
Yeah,
At
maybe.
the golf course.
Yeah, we need to walk maybe.
Here
So
we go.
guys,
Here we go.
thank you for watching. This is Wandering World once again.
That's right. If
See
you
you.
didn't know it,
See you. What is it?
if you didn't know that already.
This is Wandering World.
Yeah, look at this Corvette.
Wow, there's a Corvette there we can sit. So, see you on our next one. Bye-bye.